Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on medical coding. So today we are just going to see first how we can clear the CPC exam by just following some basic tips. So everyone will be knowing that CPC exam is conducted by AAPC and it is full objective exam and it has 150 questions with four answers as options for each question, and you have 5 hours 40 minutes to clear the exam. So many people are struggling to clear this exam, so I wanted to just share some basic tips which can be easily used to clear this exam. So let us start with our first tip. So everybody knows how important time is. So if you don't use time properly during exam, you will lose your some questions which you are able to answer during exam. This happens every time when you don't manage your time properly. So before you start your exam, please give each question specific time. If you don't complete that question on that time, please move to other question. So I would suggest before going for CPC exam, please manage your time by solving some question papers. This will help you to clear the or to answer all the questions given in CPC exam. Let's move to the other tip. So there are two types of questions in exam. Either it will be like very easy like one line or two line, but there will be some questions will be more than 4 lines, 5 lines, which takes time to answer. So I would only suggest coders to first go through the easy questions first, and which are very short and which are easy to answer, and then only move to the difficult questions. This way you can save your time. So this will be very easy for you to concentrate more on the questions which you can answer. The difficult questions you can leave it for the last hour or last time which you can use it and concentrate more on them to answer those questions. Let's move to other tip. Yeah, this is the most difficult section in CPC exam. Surgery questions have most of the complicated scenarios which takes times to solve. So I would request everyone to solve the surgery question section in the end, because it takes time, and if you start solving in the beginning, you will lose your time and you can't able to give time to the other questions which you can easily solve and answer them. So in this way you can manage your time here again and give more time to the surgery question when you finish all the questions which you are able to answer first. Let's move to the other tip. While giving exam, do not have any fear or any fear of exam which everyone will be having mostly. So I would only recommend everyone to keep a water bottle or something which keep you hydrated during the exam, which keeps you cool and keeps your presence of mind during the exam. This is very important while answering questions, because when you answer a question, your mind should be stable and you should be concentrating more during exam for solving the question. So I would recommend everyone to be cool and calm during the exam to answer the questions given in CPC exam. You will know the result when you will solve the question for each question in CPC exam. because many people lose their cool and do not concentrate properly while answering the question and attempt to give wrong answer. So please be calm and cool during the exam to solve the each question of CPC exam. And the final tip I will tell everyone to just finish the exam at least 20 to 30 minutes before the end time. What happens, because if you don't give time at the end to recheck the question paper, you will miss some questions which you have not attempted, or you by mistake have clicked the wrong answer, which will give you less percentage in the results. So I would recommend everyone to at least give once recheck the question paper as well the answer paper to see whether you have given the correct answer for each question paper. Hope all these 5 tips will help you to manage your time and clear the CPC exam with easy result. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to get all the updates related to medical. Thank you.